All right, hello. In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete your Aperture assignment. So at this point, we've already taken pictures, we've downloaded them, and now it's just a matter of putting them into this template. So the Aperture, again, is that thing in your lens that you can control. So here it is wide open, here it is stop down, and look at that. So, okay, so we learned a little bit about that. Let's go ahead and put the pictures in there. If you need a point of reference, you can go back to Bridge. Here it is, and you can look through and see your images. So you'll see I've got my set here. If you click on the image and then look over at your metadata, I can see that I took this picture at f1.8. So my shutter speed was 80th of a second, and my ISO was 400. And then as I go through my images, I can just use my arrow, and that one is at f2.8, f4, f8, f16, and f22. So the things that I want you to kind of take away and learn from this is understand what the f-stop does. You can see at 1.8, the range of focus is pretty narrow. It's just on the truck. But as we stop it down, like this, the range of focus increases. So by the end at f22, it is a lot darker, but you can see from the front to back, the images are a lot sharper. Actually, this one at f16, we can see a little better. You can see that Jackson Storm is a lot more in focus, and so is the Jeep behind it. So let's go ahead and put these in. We're going to go to Photoshop. We're going to go File, Place Embedded. I'm going to get that first one. The brighter one I know is f1.8. I'm going to shrink it down, press Enter or the check mark to set it, and then File, Place Embedded. Just repeat the process here. We're going to bring all 6 images in here. Let me bring my last image in here. Okay. Then what I want you to do is use your text tool. So the text tool is right here. Click on that, and then you're going to write a reflection in this space here. You may need to adjust the size of your font. I think about size 14 will be all right. And then just go ahead and click on this, and you can start typing here and just tell me this is what, and then continue. What did you learn about Aperture doing this project? So look forward to what you guys come up with here. Actually, here, let me finish that off. Continue typing this. When you get to the end and you need a new line, press Enter and then the check mark. Now, before you turn this in, we need to take all these layers and flatten it. So right now it's a PSD, it's a Photoshop file. We need to turn it into a JPEG. So we're going to go to Layer, Flatten Image, and then you'll see that it shrinks it down. Took all those layers, flatten it. Then we're going to go File, Save As, and let's go into your Creative Cloud or your desktop. And so you can see it says Aperture Project. The file type is a JPEG. If it didn't, you would click on that and go select JPEG and hit Save and hit OK. And then you're ready to turn that into Canvas. So look for the JPEG file and upload it there. Look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.